Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Rosemary. If you are new, welcome, and welcome. Please subscribe if you like my content and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also a comment. In this video, I'll be showing you how I wash my hair. I will be using everyday shampoo and Palmolive hair conditioner and also some hairpiece. So the shampoo that I'm using is parabens free and sulfate free. It's for dry to normal scalp and hair. It cleanses without stripping and moisturizes your scalp and hair. What I have now is braids to prevent shrinkage. So what I'm going to do is divide all the braids into two so that I will be able to wash my hair properly using the twisted method. If you have more hair, you might want to further divide your hair. Just a small background regarding my hair. By the way, this is the first time I'm growing unrelaxed hair. So when it was shorter, everything was easy, the combing, the washing, sectioning. But when the length started increasing, I found it difficult to handle it after washing. So my hair is kind of soft, most of the time actually. At the same time, it loses moisture quickly as well as tangling a lot. So after washing, my hair will tangle in such a way that when I combed it, it will break. So the solution was to use a blowout relaxer. Well, that will not help much, but worth a try, or to find a better way to wash it. I did some research and found one of the options was to wash my hair in twists. I then decided to add some hairpiece to also stretch the hair ends because they are the main problem when it comes to tangling. Now back to the tutorial. So what I'm doing there is divide further the hair so that I can be able to wash and remove most of the product buildup. And so far, this method has been working for me. As you can see, I'm able to retain the length. I'm able to wash my hair and remove product buildup and not make it frizzy at the end. So I think it's working for me. But if you have any better method, please also comment below and tell me which one is working for you. Maybe I might try that one as well. And another important thing to do here is to detangle before twisting so that it'll be easier to detangle after washing. Now I'm done braiding. I have about 10 braids in total. I'm going to wash and then condition my hair, then come back. After washing and conditioning, I dried the hair using a towel for about 30 to 60 minutes. So now I'm going to undo the twist, then try to remove the remaining water. I will then apply the hair food called Black Chic on the scalp and hair as well to prevent freezing when it's completely dry. I will show you just now. So the description of this hair food is hair food treatment. It feeds your hair and promotes growth for manageable and healthier hair. So now I'm done unbraiding the hair and moisturizing it with the hair food. So the next step is to braid it again so that I can stretch it overnight. And then So as you can see the shrinkage there. So if I did not braid it, then wash it, it will have shrunk like 10 times more than this. If you like this type of content as well, please let me know on the comment box so that I can prepare some more content when it comes to hair growth and stuff. Now I'm going to braid another twist hairstyle so that I can be able to stretch the hair without using the heat and leave it overnight so that it can dry 100%. On the next day, before styling, I'm going to remove the braids and then spray the hair with water, then another moisturizer, and detangle using my hands so that I don't have to comb out. If I comb out, then it's going to shrink again, so I'm not going to do that. So after doing the untangling process, I'm just going to style my hair and then I'm good to go. And that is my wash day routine. A very long one, but worth it as well. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, please give me a thumbs up. And please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.